So one of the things that you can actually go ahead and do in Claude is you can go ahead and then generate out songs as well. For example, I can go ahead and say, write a song. So I'm just going to go around and say, write a song about a person who loves to play games and becomes successful by running a gaming YouTube channel. Let's say, for example, right here, just like this, I'm just going to go around and then give it a particular let's say, for example, theme right here. So successful by running a gaming YouTube channel. So if I were to go ahead and hit on send right here, then what it does is you can see that it actually goes ahead and checks out its skill right here, and it says here's the song, and it is rendering it as a style visual artifact as well, meaning it'll go ahead and give out some relevant graphics if it is relevant as well. So you can see that it is making chorus right here. You can go ahead and see that it's loading up the channel, it's hitting the record, and then you can see that this is what you have. So it's creating a pop indie music type right here, and there you go, there's the verse. 12 years old with secondhand console, blanket over the globe so no one knows. So you can see that it's writing out a proper song right here. So you got the starting lyrics, the verse one right here, then you got the chorus, and then you got another lyrics right here, that is verse 2, then you got the chorus again, then you got the bridge, as you can see, you got the final chord, and then there's the outro right here. So what you can actually do is, let's say, for example, along with the song, give let's say, for example, musical chords for it as well. So I can say something like this, and what it will do is it'll go ahead and regenerate out the same let's say song right here. It'll write out the song itself, and it lays out the strings right here. So you can see it's mapping the chord to the verses right here, just like this, and in a while I will be able to go ahead and get it. So you can see it says tuning the skills, it's mapping the chords to the verses, laying out the lead sheet right here, and in a while you'll get a detailed content. So you can see the chord reference right here, like you got D, D, E right here. So you can see that there's for the intro and there's for the verse, and you can see that this is what you have. So you can see that it says 12 years old with the second hand console. So there's the D chord, there's the D chord. So it actually goes ahead and lays it out for me right here, just like this. So you can see that you can go ahead and create out a detailed song. So of course you got the lyrics right here in detail, but you can even go ahead and then have the chord reference and then generate out detailed chord right here, just like this. So you can see that it is going around and generating right here. And this is basically how you can go ahead and generate out an entire song using Claude.ai. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.